Morning, it's Abe, and Anna is definitely not going to want to be seen, but today we're going to have fun.
Hey guys, it's Anna and we're walking to the train station and we're about to buy our Metro card because we're taking a little trip to the pet shop.
Hell yeah. See you guys.
I'm excited.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I'm excited too.
So we'll see you guys when we get to the pet shop.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna film everything and whatever.
Yeah, it's gonna
and
be
later
fun.
we'll put it up and hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys, it's Ace, and we're refilling our Metro cards. So, yeah, so we get to the bus. See you guys soon.
Damn, her card is rich.
Shut up.
What do you got to say about being rich?
I'm not rich.
That rich Metro card.
Come on.
You
Not
have
that I'm not.
total amount, dude. $5. Go, girl.
4. Oh god. My money is like everywhere. It's crazy.
I got 50 cents.
No,
in my
I do
pocket.
have it, but it's like all the way down in my bag.
Oh yeah, girl struggle. Girl
Yes. What the?
struggle. Baby, I got a quarter right in my hand.
Alright, just give it to me. Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
No.
Alright, see you guys later.
Alright, hey guys, we're finally here and we're walking, trying to find our way actually. This dodo head
Yo, what up?
don't even know where he's going.
I'm
so-
using Google Maps.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, if I was back in the 1950s, I would not be able to do this. Because I need all this, like, we almost screwed up. We almost
Yeah.
fucked up already. So,
But-
we're gonna try and be quiet when we get in there, just in case the store owner is like, no.
Exactly.
Because, you know, we're gonna go see some puppies. So, see you guys there. Bye.
We gotta be secret. These are puppies. So cute.
Yo, it's cute.
Cute feet.
Got some over here. Oh, he's pooping. He's pooping. This is so cute. Say hi. They're so cute. What type of dogs do you think they are?
I think this one is I don't know. I think either a Shih Tzu mix. I'm not sure. They're so cute. Okay, calm that down. Stop. They're so cute.
Oh, these are cute.
I know. They're like attacking my fingers.
They want to go home.
Yo, this is the girl.
You can tell?
Yeah. Stop feeding my fingers.
There's some more down here. It's down here.
You don't like
This one's cute. This is where we're going to wild dog.
Yes. So cute, like I was freaked out. You're too yappy. To behave yourself, little one.
Say one.
I know, I do too. I love these ones, they're so cute. If I had a choice, I would pick this one.
I really wish we could take one.
I know. We will though.
We will
A few
one
years
day.
from now.
Years from now, we're gonna take one.
When we get our own place, actually.
Yeah, well, we'll talk about it when we get out.
Oh, I don't get to touch these ones. Alright guys, we're just coming from the pet shop and it was amazing.
Yeah.
Like the animals were so friendly, the people were friendly and everything. And it was just overall really good.
We had such a good time.
Yeah, I had so much fun.
We had so much fun because, like, I just felt like I wanted to save every single dog in there.
Yeah.
And they had so many. You'll see, like, well, you probably already saw, but they were so cute, like everyone. And there was this one black and white dog. Yeah, there was this black and white dog that we definitely, like, we don't have the apartment or the money right now, but if we did, we definitely would save.
Yeah.
And I think
he was like really lovable. He was like on my fingers basically, and it was so cute. Like, as you said, if we had the money, I would have like an apartment. I would have took it like right away.
But
no doubt.
speaking about money and apartment, this neighborhood is like actually one of the neighborhoods we would probably want to go to
Yeah.
and move into. This is East Flatbush, Brooklyn. Want to know? But anyway, we'll talk to you soon.
Hey guys, and we are finally home, and oh my gosh, I can't get over that pet shop. Ooh, a little bit. Anyways, I can't get over that pet shop. Like,
It was
dogs.
so fun. I wish we could go back right now, and we'll definitely go back there in the future.
Yeah, and
'Cause I had
get
fun.
one for real. And yeah.
But for now, we're just gonna have dinner and relax. But I hope you guys enjoyed the puppies just as much as
Tour.
we did. Yeah,
Yeah.
it was fun. It
It
was a little
was.
bootleg,
Mhm.
and because we had to secretly do it, but
Yeah.
we had
We'll
fun.
see you guys.
We'll see you soon.